Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a motorcycle that's shaking things up in the power cruiser segment, the Buell Hammerhead 1190. This American-made machine is all about raw performance and head-turning looks. So, buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to take this beast for a spin, figuratively, of course. Key features: performance. Let's start under the hood, or should I say, the fairing. The Hammerhead 1190 packs a serious punch with its 1190cc, liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This powerhouse cranks out a whopping 185 horsepower and 102 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to exhilarating acceleration that will pin you to the seat. Now, all that muscle needs a good chassis to handle it. Buell equips the Hammerhead with a robust frame that keeps things stable, even at high speeds. Suspension duties are handled by high-quality Showa forks and a shock absorber, ensuring a smooth ride and confident handling when carving corners. Design uniqueness. One look at the Hammerhead 1190, and you know it's not your average motorcycle. The aggressive design, with its sharp lines and prominent hammerhead fairing, is a real head-turner. But it's not just about looks. Those sculpted fairings actually help with aerodynamics, reducing drag and keeping you comfortable on long rides. Another unique feature is the Buell fuel and frame technology. The gas tank is integrated into the frame itself, creating a lower center of gravity for improved handling and a more compact feel. It's a conversation starter for sure, and a testament to Buell's innovative engineering. Tech trade-offs. The Hammerhead 1190 might be a beast on the road, but it does lack some of the modern bells and whistles you might find on other sport bikes. The instrument cluster is a bit on the basic side, and there's no fancy cornering ABS or electronically controlled suspension. However, this focus on raw mechanics keeps the price tag competitive and allows riders to experience the pure thrill of riding a powerful machine. Plus, some riders might prefer the simplicity of a cable throttle over a complex ride-by-wire system. Target audience conclusion. The Buell Hammerhead 1190 is for riders who crave an exciting riding experience. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who appreciate old-school muscle and a connection to the machine, the Hammerhead is a dream come true. Don't forget to leave comment and subscribe. More_vert